Good morning, all. Now let us discuss a little bit about list comprehension. So let us consider a list 1, 2, 3. If I have to multiply each element by 2, then the general program would be, so I take a new list, then for I in Li, I take each element and then Li new dot add each element I'll multiply by 2, and then the new list would be Li new. That new list would be 2, 4, 6. So all these steps can be done in a single line using list comprehension. So the list comprehension states Li new is equal to, for I, the same thing, for I in Li, each element is, for I in Li, each element has to be multiplied by 2. So I multiplied by 2 for I in Li. So this will give the same result. So this is the benefit of list comprehension. Now this is the most common variant. Now we'll discuss about 3 different variants. So the first variant is for if. So this is the first variant, that is for if. That is, suppose we have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose I want a list where the number has to be multiple of 2 and 3. Then we'll use this for if concept. So here Li new would be for I in Li, if I mod by 2 equal to 0, if I mod by 3 equal to 0, then we'll get I. So here the output would be the number which is multiple of both 2 and 3. So 2, it's not a multiple of 2 and 3, not 3, 4, 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3, and then 9 is a multiple of both 2 and 3, and 1 which is a multiple of both 2 and 3. So the output would be 1, 6, 9. So this is one variant, that is for if. So the next variant is for if, that is for if. Suppose there are 2 lists, that is L1 which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have one more list L2, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have to print the numbers that are common to both the lists. So the output should be 4. The list which has the output should be 4. So here the program is Li new is equal to for yearly in Li, for yearly 2 in L1, if both are equal, yearly is equal to yearly 2. If yearly 1 is equal to yearly 2, then we'll get the new yearly. So here for this loop we'll get 4. For this loop again we'll get 4. Since 4 is equal to 4, we'll get the new list which has 4. So this is second variant which has for if. So this is second variant. Now we'll discuss third variant. So the next variant that we are going to discuss is if else for. That is if else for. So this is first variant. Second, the third variant is if else for. That is, the list has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we'll see the third variant. So in this case, if it's even, we have to multiply by 2. If it's odd, we have to leave it as it is. So the output would be, if it is a even, we have to multiply by 2. So 2, it should become 4. 4 should become 8. If it's odd, we have to leave it as it is. So for this, the program would be li new. So ELE, we have to multiply by 2 if it's a even. So I'll go in loop for ELE in LI. So if ELE mod by 2 is equal to 0, else ELE. So this is wrong. So for has to come next. Else ELE, for ELE in LI. So this was a mistake which generally people do. So this has to be, this is wrong. So for has to be in the end. Only when there are only when there is a one if, during that time the for will be first and if will be second. When there is a if else, during that time for will be in the end and then if else will be in the beginning. So if we write here for, it doesn't work. So this has to be considered. So this is a general mistake which many of us do. So these are three variants: for if, for if else, for. Thank you.